my dear student and my dear viewers. Today I am here to tell you about the hormonal regulation of glucose. You know, inside our body there is glucose, or whenever we take any meal, ultimately it will break down into the glucose. As we know, it is a source of energy. And which one is a quick source of energy? Yes, it is a glucose. Now I tell you how this glucose is regulated inside our body with the help of hormones. First of all, you need to know two things: what is glucose and what is a glycogen. Fine, this one is a glycogen. Glycogen is a polysaccharide, or I'll tell you, this one is the simplest sugar. As we know, it contains C6. If you want to know in detail about this, please do check my videos. I have already mentioned what is this glucose, all that, because it is like a fast quickest source of energy. As we know, whenever we feel tired and when we feel lethargic, if we take glucose or the glucon tea, our brain get fresh within a span of time. That is due to the this glucose. And this one, I'll tell you how you can correlate the things. Fine, this is a glucose. When glucose join with the each other, fine, they form glycogen. As we know, whenever we have a enough amount of money, some money we will spend for our daily expenses, and some amount of money we will invest for our future uses. In the same way, glucose is a quick source of energy, but whenever we have a good amount or the plenty amount of the glucose inside our body is meant in such a way, they will store that glucose for the ultimate use, for the future use, in the form of glycogen. Fine. Now I tell you how it is happened inside our body. Like this is a central molecule. You can see this one is a glucose, and firstly glucose changes into glucose 6 phosphate. After that, this glucose 6 phosphate, it is changes to glycogen, and this glucose 6 phosphate, when they get metabolized inside our body, they produce acetyl CoA. Acetyl CoA is a type of coenzyme that is helpful to transfer this acetyl molecule to one molecule to other. Ultimate, they are prostatic group. They do not have any kind of function. Fine. You can see this acetyl CoA, it is further used in fatty acid metabolism, then phospholipid, then cholesterol, and it is also helpful in the synthesis of ATP. You know what is ATP? Fine. If you want to know about ATP also, please do check out my video. I have already mentioned in the playlist details of each and everything. Fine. Okay. On the other hand, glucose 6 phosphate, it is also helpful in the respiratory chain and in the formation of NADPH. NADPH is also the type of coenzyme. Okay. Nutshell, what is the clinical pearl out of it? Glucose 6 phosphate is a central stage for carbohydrate metabolism, and it is and which one is a crucial enzyme in this metabolism? That is glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. Why it is known as a crucial? Because it is an enzyme which will do all the processes. You can see we have already discussed all the process. Fine. Okay. And what do you mean by glucose hemostasis? Hemostasis mean when we make a balance between two things. Now you can see whenever there is a low blood glucose level inside our body, fine, at that moment this glucose, they will activate this alpha cell to release glucagon. Glucagon is a hormone which stimulate glycogen breakdown. What is this glycogen breakdown? When glycogen, as we already discussed, glycogen is a polysaccharide. Fine, it is composed of the number of glucose. When it's break down, it will form different type of glucose. Fine, and it will also stimulate gluconeogenesis. Now you can see when glycogen is activated, what it do? They do formation of glucose by the two processes. One is a glycogenolysis, other is a gluconeogenesis. Fine. In the way, when they do both these processes, at that moment blood glucose levels get higher. Fine. When they get higher, At that moment again they activate the beta cell release, because if there are lots amount of blood glucose inside the body, ultimately what disease will produce? That is a diabetes mellitus, and that is so harmful, we know. Otherwise diabetes is a not so grave disease, but if there is an excessive amount of blood glucose inside the body, they will ultimately affect other vital organ, that can lead to the death of that patient also. Fine. Okay, after that, this high blood glucose level, they activate the beta cell to release the insulin. And what did insulin do? Insulin stimulate glucose uptake by peripheral tissues. In the way this hemostasis occur, like when we take the food, they produce the glucose, and further glucose is uptaken by the beta cell to produce glycogen. And if it's less amount of glucose, whenever even we have seen, like we have an eyewitness of this example, whenever any person is on the fasting condition, there is no need to have any kind of diet, because there are already glucose present inside our body from the glycogen, it is produced from there. Okay, next is how its blood glucose level they are regulated inside our body. Glucose is a major source of energy for the cell. Blood glucose is regulated by insulin and glucagon, as we already discussed. When there is a, you can see here, I will mark it to make it clear more. Fine, you can see when there is a high amount of glucose, at that moment there is a high release of insulin. If there is a less amount of insulin, in that moment diabetes mellitus can produce. Fine. If insulin level they get high, at the moment glycogenesis occur. Glycogenesis means when the glycogen is formed. When the glycogen is formed, ultimately from where glycogen is formed? They form from the glucose, so there is a less level of glucose. You can see the each and every process, they are interconnected to each other. On the other hand, when there is a less amount of glucose, at that moment again glucagon is activated. When the glucagon is activated, we know what is the function of glucagon. They will increase glycogenolysis. Ultimately, they increase the glucose. Fine. In this way, blood glucose level they get regulated inside our body. You can see it is a beauty of the, I can say that it is a beauty of the God. No one like order anything inside our body. It is happened simultaneous inside the body. If there is a less amount of glucose or insulin, uh, the function of insulin gets stopped, the glucagon will come into the picture. Fine. Okay. This is the same as I described with the help of figure. You can see when there is a high blood glucose level, at that moment what they do, there is a high, if we can start from anywhere, because it is a kind of cycle, it is a kind of series of reaction, they are connected to each other. From where I can start, you can tell me. Fine. And if you have any problem regarding any topic of biochemistry, please do mention in the comment box. I would like to describe in detail also. And I personally believe that if we have any kind of knowledge, it's good to be shared with each other, it's good to be discussed with each other, that is helpful. Fine. For the betterment of the society. Ultimately all the science person, all the scientists, they what they do, they work for the benefit of the society only. Fine. Okay, now come to this point. If there is a high blood glucose level, at that moment we know blood glucose is rises. How it rises? When glycogen is break down to the glucose. From where they get ordered to break down to the glucose? From glucagon. Why glucagon will activate it? When there is a less amount of glucose inside the body. Pancreas, we know, like you can mention the which cell is responsible for this hemostasis. Fine. In this way they are interconnected to each other. Today I just wanted to brush up regarding it. For the structure, please to stay tuned to my channel. I would like to describe that in detail in the next video, because I think we are not in so hurry to complete it fastly. We should make the concept more clear, because they are helpful in the future also. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Fine, in detail. for watching the videos and the watching the lecture. Any kind of if you want to have any kind of help from my side, please do mention in the comment box. Thank you. Happy learning. God bless.